Qingdao Risense Mechatronics Sales Company Limited was founded in 2020 and is located in Qingdao City, China. Risense provides a full range of car wash machines, such as touchless car wash machines, rollover car wash machines, tunnel car wash machines, bus wash machines, truck wash machines, train wash machines, and self-service car wash machines. Customized orders are also warmly welcomed. We will design and produce the machine according to your specific needs. Our associated company, Qingdao Risense Mechatronics Company Limited, founded in 2010, is a high-tech enterprise that sets R&D, production, sales, and service on one scale. With an occupying area of more than 25,000 square meters and more than 270 employees, its production scale and sales volume at home and abroad are ranked at the forefront. Risense dedicates himself to providing high-quality machines at a reasonable price to achieve a win-win result. Risense car wash machines enjoy great popularity among people for their golden value for money and excellent after-sales service, including installation and training. The Risense installation team has been to more than 40 countries, such as Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, Mexico, Russia, South Korea, United States, United Arab Emirates, Turkey, Kazakhstan, to install the machine. Risense is setting up agents around the world. Welcome to be our agent to promote our car wash machine. We are your best choice and your ideal partner. Welcome to visit our factory and see our machines in our showroom.